nation struggling to keep its economy afloat. Now dreams of asserting dominance in the Indian Ocean, while China, known for its expansionist ambitions, lurks behind with a hidden agenda. As India fortifies its maritime security with tropics, its strategic combat exercise, Pakistan and China join hands in Aman 25, a naval drill that raises more concerns than confidence. What lies behind this grand show of force and how does it impact the security dynamics of the region? Namaskar, I am Shefali Maheshwari and you are watching Rhythm. Even as Pakistan teeters on the edge of economic collapse, it hosts the multinational Aman 25 naval exercise in Karachi from February 7 to 12. The drill includes key participants like China, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Malaysia and the United States with observers from 32 other nations. Beijing has sent a guided missile destroyer, a supply ship, a helicopter and marines, marking yet another step in its growing military involvement in the Indian Ocean. China, under the pretext of maritime security and anti-piracy operations, has been steadily expanding its naval footprint in the Indian Ocean. The so-called string of pearls strategy, aimed at encircling India with military bases and alliances, is no longer a theory, it's a reality. From Hambantota in Sri Lanka to Gwadar in Pakistan, China's grip tightens. Meanwhile, New Delhi remains vigilant as its own tropics exercise runs parallel to Aman 25, focusing on combat preparedness and securing vital sea lanes. But let's take a step back. How does Pakistan, a nation battling a financial crisis, afford such military engagements? The truth is, it can't. With inflation soaring past 30%, foreign reserves barely covering a few weeks of imports and a currency that has lost over 50% of its value in the last year, Pakistan's economy is in shambles. The country survives on IMF bailouts, heavy loans from China, and Gulf assistance. While its citizens grapple with rising fuel and food prices, the government splurges on military theatrics. Ironically, Pakistan's naval capabilities remain weak. Its fleet is outdated, operational readiness is questionable, and indigenous defense production is almost non-existent. The country's security concerns are primarily land-based, with tensions simmering on its border with India and Afghanistan. So what is the real motive behind Aman 25? Is it really about regional security, or is Pakistan simply playing a pawn in China's larger geopolitical game? Adding to the alarm, last month China deployed 2 research vessels in the Indian Ocean, a move that has raised suspicions in New Delhi. These so-called research missions have in the past been linked to China's military reconnaissance activities, mapping the ocean floor for future strategic use. With Aman 25 now in motion, concerns over China's intentions have intensified. The message is clear: while Pakistan hosts naval exercise to project strength, it remains economically crippled, and China, under the guise of security cooperations, continues to push its expansionist agenda. India, however, stands firm. As a dominant power in the region, it refuses to be cornered. With the Indian Navy's advanced operational readiness and strategic alliances, India ensures that the Indian Ocean remains a zone of peace, not a battleground for power play. The question is, how long before Pakistan realizes it is merely a puppet in China's grand design? Jai Hind.